We all know about Pluto, the so-called dwarf planet that refuses to be ignored. But what if I told you that Pluto isn't the only hidden force shaping your birth chart? Eris, Haumea, Makemake, these distant celestial bodies hold secrets about power, disruption, and deep transformation. If you've ever felt like astrology is missing something, this might be the missing piece. Let's dive into the mysterious world of dwarf planets and what they reveal about you. For centuries, astrology revolved around the traditional planets, Mercury through Pluto, but as we discover more celestial bodies, the question arises, do these planets influence us too? The answer? Absolutely. They add depth, complexity, and sometimes chaos to your chart. Let's start with the one we all know, Pluto. Pluto may have been demoted by astronomers, but astrologers know better. It's the ruler of Scorpio and governs transformation, destruction, and rebirth. Pluto in your birth chart shows where you experience power struggles and deep personal evolution. When it transits key points, it doesn't whisper, it roars, breaking down old versions of yourself so something new can emerge. If Pluto is the ruler of transformation, Eris is the force of disruption. Named after the Greek goddess of discord, Eris doesn't ask for permission, it throws the truth on the table, whether you're ready or not. It's about challenging the status quo and calling out injustice. If Eris is strong in your chart, you might be a natural rebel or someone who forces change, even if it makes people uncomfortable. Haumea, named after the Hawaiian goddess of fertility and creation, brings an energy of rebirth and renewal. It's associated with natural cycles, feminine energy, and resourcefulness. Meanwhile, Makemake, named after the Rapa Nui god of creation, carries themes of survival, instinct, and environmental consciousness. These planets may not be mainstream in astrology yet, but their presence in your chart can point to areas where you need to reconnect with nature, intuition, or ancient wisdom. Curious where these dwarf planets are in your chart? You can use online astrology calculators that allow you to input them. Look at their house placement and aspects, especially to personal planets like the sun, moon, or ascendant to see how they influence your path. Astrology is always evolving, and so are we. These dwarf planets may be small, but their influence is anything but. So if you've ever felt like traditional astrology wasn't capturing the full picture of who you are, maybe it's time to look beyond the usual planets. Because sometimes the smallest forces in the universe have the biggest impact.